Copy a link, paste it into this tool here, and then collect your earnings. And you can do this over and over again and earn $220 again and again for an unlimited amount of times. This doesn't involve selling anything, promoting any products through affiliate marketing, nor does it require any skills. And it works in all countries all over the globe, as you can see. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright guys, so as the title of this video suggests, we will be sharing articles today in order to make some good money online. And as such, your very first step will be to actually come over to Google, and you now want to search for something interesting. You can search for something bizarre, mysterious, stuff like that, since those articles are extremely popular. You can type in something like interesting facts about sports, about football, for example. Typing in the word shocking as well is a good idea, since Google will show you a bunch of recommendations that you can search for. Whatever you search for, guys, doesn't matter one bit. The only thing that's actually important is that the articles are very popular, so that a lot of people are interested in those articles and that they get a bunch of clicks. And you will see soon enough why that is such a big deal. In any case, in my example, I type in shocking facts about water. You can type in shocking facts about the environment, for example, about the world, and so on and so forth. As I said, what you search for doesn't matter. Obviously, I can now see and open up all of these articles related to that. Your goal for now, guys, is to simply open up one of these articles and copy the link. Just pick and choose one you think is the best, and you now want to head over to the next site we will be using today. This website is called shrinkme.io. And this is the website that will actually be paying us today. Now, the way this website works is as a URL shortener, like bit.ly, for example. The big difference being that you can make money with this platform whenever someone clicks on your shortened link. The way this works is as follows. You grab a link to whatever website you want to. Which one it is and what it's about literally doesn't make a difference. You then come over to this website and paste the link and shorten it, and whenever someone clicks on that link, they will first see a bunch of ads before being redirected to the destination site. And the ad revenue is split between yourself and this platform. And this is, in essence, how this works. How much money we are talking about, you can see right here, up to $220 per 10,000 clicks on your link. And even though that might seem like a lot of views for not that much money, this is actually huge in comparison to some other platforms. So this site does pay quite well, actually. However, it's still very important for me to note that how much this site will pay you depends highly on where you are from. If you click on payout rates here, you will see exactly how much you will earn depending on the country you're coming from. And as you can see, this site pays the most for people from Greenland, Ireland, Belgium, US, UK, Canada, New Zealand, and so on. So basically, it pays the most for people living in those countries, and it doesn't pay that much for people coming from other countries, unfortunately. But I will show you how you can make a lot of money despite that, because thanks to the traffic source I will show you soon enough, you will be able to get thousands of clicks on your link easily. So even if you're from some country with a lower payout rate, you will still be able to make a lot of money, and passively too. Now, with that being said, what we can see on this page, apart from the payout rates, is where this site works. And as you can see, guys, it does work worldwide. Not all countries are accepted, of course, but the vast majority of them are, which is a fantastic feature that I know a lot of you watching this will love, since after all, not everyone is from the US and from the countries in Western Europe. Anyhow, the last thing I want to show you on here is the payment proof. And this is quite important because I want you guys to see that this is not a scammy website. They will not try to steal your money, but will actually pay you, as they have paid out all of these people that you can see. On this page, you have tons and tons of proof of payment that I encourage all of you to check out who have doubts about this website. I won't do that to not prolong this video. Anyhow, what you need to do on this platform first is sign up. And so you want to come over to their homepage here and then click on the register button. You will then proceed to either sign up via email or via Google, which I would recommend because it's much faster. If you want to sign up via email nonetheless, you will need to enter in your email address and password before completing the CAPTCHA, ticking this box to agree to their terms, and clicking on the register button to create your account. Once you log in, this is what you will come across. This is the dashboard, and this is both the place where you'll be able to shorten the link you copied way back in the beginning to some article of your own choosing, and the place where you will be able to track your earnings. When you earn a decent amount of money, you will be able to withdraw it by clicking on the withdraw button right over here. Now, to shorten the actual link, this is what you have to do. Click on New Shorten Link here, and then paste the URL in this box, and then click on Shorten. Once you have shortened that link to some article, you will now be able to make money whenever someone clicks on it. And even though it isn't too bad of an idea to share this link with people on Facebook, Twitter, just social media platforms in general, you won't be able to make that much money since you do need tens of thousands of clicks to actually make a decent sum of money. And as such, guys, your next step is to come over to the platform that can get you literally thousands of clicks to your link, but without you having to bother with sharing it anywhere. That platform is this one here called shoutcart.com. And what this website basically is a place where you can buy and sell Instagram shoutouts. And the best part about this website is that those shoutouts can be extremely cheap. It's not uncommon to find a person with like 50,000 followers who is asking for $10 or even as little as $5 for a shoutout. And so what this website allows you to do is get your link in front of literally thousands upon thousands of people for $10 or even less, which is awesome. That, of course, has the obvious flaw that you have to invest some money, so this is not a free strategy by any means. But you will get a lot for a very small amount of money. I mean, if you invest $10 and literally stand to gain hundreds of dollars, I'm pretty sure most of you watching would say that it's a very, very good investment. Furthermore, not only do those shoutouts come cheap, but you can also choose categories. So what this allows you to do is find some Instagram page that is, for example, related to animals, and what you can then do is find some article about animals and shorten it with Shrink Me, and you can then pay them to advertise you, and not only will you get your link in front of thousands of people, but you will also get your link in front of people who will actually want to check it out, and you will get more clicks in the end, which in the end means you can make a lot more money. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.